Welcome, and thank you for joining this presentation, Simplifying Full Arch Fixed Implant Dentistry, featuring the AurumTek Full Arch Fixed Restoration. This presentation is brought to you by the Aurum Group, empowering excellence in dentistry. The Aurum Group has signed a co-manufacturing and co-distribution agreement with Keystone Dental Group. The Nexus technology was created with a combination of some of the dental industry's most experienced and innovative professionals. The goal was to build a technology company that could fill the gaps in the dental prosthetic market, focusing on the need for an all-digital, full-arch, fixed implant rehabilitation system. The Aurum Group has been a leader in the movement to digital. We say tradition has got us where we are, and innovation is taking us where we are going. Keystone Dental Partners and Nexus have completed more than 8,000 full-arch fixed implant restorations in the past 24 months on more than 35,000 implants. No more impression taking, and more importantly, no more impression retakes and wasted time. The Nexus Connect software is a game-changing technology. Here are some of the benefits of the Nexus technology to your restorative practice. It's an easier workflow. There are fewer appointments. The final prosthetic can be delivered in just 2 appointments following the implant placement. It's an all-digital workflow, meaning no more complex, messy, unpleasant impressions for your patients, no more models, no more verification jigs. And the outcome is very predictable. Call the Aurum Group or connect with us online at www.aurumgroup.com, and we'll organize an in-office demo, and we'll help you and your team implement this game-changing technology into your practice. Typically, an all-on-X full-arch implant restoration needs between 10 to 15 millimeters of vertical space, usually requiring aggressive bone reduction. The Nexus system, AurumTek, incorporates a unique design requiring only 6 millimeters of vertical space for a full-arch implant retained restoration, eliminating the need for bone reduction. The system works with all intraoral scanners, eliminating the need for a complex open or closed tray impression. The all-digital workflow requires no models and no verification jigs, saving time, money, and requiring fewer appointments. The game-changing Nexus Connect software gives you instant, real-time verification that your scan is good while the patient is still in the chair.
It's nothing less than revolutionary. This is tried and true and tested. This is super efficient. I've been doing this 36 years. I can never imagine being able to treat patients this accurately with this type of efficiency.
You're not only delivering a functional result, but the aesthetics on it rival what we do at the highest level.
Shorter visits, because it can be done in literally 2 visits. And being that it's less costly, like photogrammetry, things along those lines, it certainly can bring the cost down significantly to make it better access to care for patients.
If you're not digital in your office and you have a simple intraoral scanner, this is not going to be a big leap of change or a leap of faith. It is very trainable.
You're able to capture the implants in 3-dimensional space, which you're trying to do with all the other techniques, but this is very accurate because of the algorithm that it uses. So you're now going to get restorations that fit passively within 10 microns, which is unheard of. The standard before was somewhere around 100 microns. We don't want to overload the implants, and by having something that passively fits over 4, 5, 6 implants, It just is a game changer. It is going to change the way dentistry is done in the implant realm exponentially.
What Nexus brings to the table is that wow factor that was missing from this type of restoration. Why would you do it any other way? I mean, it's the way to go.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this short video about the AurumTek Full Arch Fixed Implant Restoration powered by Nexus iOS. Call us for an in-office demo or training and get started with this game-changing technology today.